This plant is an invasive species found in Massachusetts, several northeastern U.S. states, Canada, and the UK. As an invasive species, it can outcompete local native plant species, resulting in disturbances to the ecosystem. However, this plant in particular is extremely hazardous because it can cause skin to blister and burn. This invasive species is the giant hogweed, also called cartwheel flower, giant cow parsley, giant cow parsnip, or hogsbane. It's a monocarpic perennial plant from the carrot family, meaning that it grows in a vegetative state for several years until it finally flowers, sheds seeds, and dies. The giant hogweed likes moist, nutrient-rich soil and lots of sunlight. It can be found in woodlands, wetlands, ditches, roadsides, and even backyards. The giant hogweed is native to Southeast Asia and is thought to have been transported to North America in the 1900s to use in a garden for ornamental reasons. It soon began to spread uncontrollably and become a public health hazard. The sap inside the leaves and stem of a giant hogweed plant contain organic compounds called phyrocomerins, which is a phototoxin that deters many predators and can react with the skin in the presence of UV light to cause blisters and burns. This condition is called phytophotodermatitis. So how do we identify this hazardous species? Indicative of its name, the giant hogweed can grow up to 5 meters and have a thick stem up to 10 centimeters in diameter. The stem is covered in purple spots, or sometimes completely purple, and has coarse hairs. The leaves are in a ternate arrangement, jagged in appearance, and nearly a meter in length. If the plant has matured and is flowering that year, it blooms in mid-May to July, and the flowers are small, white, and umbrella-shaped. Some look-alike plants include cow parsnip, angelica, wild parsnip, and Queen Anne's lace. The giant hogweed plant outcompetes many native species due to its sheer size, which causes shading. Only hardier native grasses and other invasive species, such as garlic mustard, can thrive in its understory. A new colony of giant hogweed can sprout quite easily, since one plant sheds nearly 50,000 seeds, can travel by wind, waterways, and wildlife, and are viable for up to 15 years. Removing this invasive species can be challenging due to its phototoxic sap. Therefore, personal protective equipment is a must when handling these plants. Smaller sized plants can be dug out using a shovel, while herbicidal treatment is necessary for larger plants and colonies. Prior to disposal, the plant must be placed in a black plastic bag and left in direct sunlight for 1 week to dry out. Mulching, seeding, and planting native species is important for ecosystem restoration after invasive species removal. To report a possible giant hogweed sighting and find out more, visit the Massachusetts Introduced Pest Outreach Project website. Thank you.